Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to show you 5 hidden features of Monday.com which would increase your productivity and it would save your time as well. So let's over to that. So when you open up your board, you would be able to see this bar, search person, you can filter by person here. You would be able to see these three dots. If you click on that, the first feature is this one, default item values. So whenever new item is created, it would automatically assign me as a owner in the person's column. So that is the first feature, which it would save actually automations. Otherwise, you need to create automation when item is created, assign this person. Then if you want to, let's say, automatically set up the status to working on it, let's save this change and let's create an item. Let's say test. It assigned me and also it changed the status here to working on it. So that's feature number one. Then the second feature is, if you can see here, the conditional coloring. So you can click on that. If you want to color a cell, you can do that as well. If you want to color a row, you can do that as well. And let's say we want to color a row where status is working on it and we want to make it, let's say, green. Okay. And then you can save it as a new view, and whenever you want, you would open it, you would be able to see that. Let me leave that like so. You would be able to see like that. So you can give them color. Let's say if some column is empty, give them a red color, something like that. So you can do that. So that was feature number two. Then the feature number three is item height. So if you want to increase the height of the item, you can click on this one and make it double. Okay. If you want to make it triple, you can do that triple as well. So it would be good to read, so it would increase your readability. And then the fourth one is pin columns. Just like you do on Excel, you can do that here as well. When you would click on the, let me remove this, and let's say we click on this pin column. Let's say we want to pin these three columns. Okay, so these would be pinned columns. If I move onto the right side, you will be able to see these three are sticking here. So that was feature number four. The last feature is this group by. It is recently released. So if you click on this one, let's say you want to group it by status. So it would show you like that. You'll be able to see, okay, working on it, there are two items, one in blank stage. And if you want, it will show you the empty groups as well, in which there is no data. And then if you want, you can click on save as a new view and it would save it like that. And then you can rename that view XYZ. So that was the last feature. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more about it, follow my channel. And also I have a community which you can join for more Monday related content where I post Monday and make videos as well. Thanks for watching.